The next best thing to test for leaks is I have this smoke machine, and I've been wanting to try this out, so I thought this would be a good project for it. This can hang anywhere, and you just connect compressed air and 12 volts, and then I'll just shoot smoke in here and look for areas where it leaks. So I have to plug up the O2 sensor, and I'm just going to thread an old one that's broken. I'm just going to thread that in here. We'll see what happens. And this didn't come with exhaust adapters, so you need to seal this. So I have this wood plug from a different project, so I'm just going to tape this on here and wrap some tape in there too. Try to get that to seal. This is a coincidence. This just happens to be the same size. It's a 3-inch pipe. So this is a 12 volt input. It's got a little switch on the back. So I'm going to connect it to my test stand battery. It operates on mineral oil. Got a little valve on the side. You can open it up. There it is. See that? That's awesome. And see where the smoke comes out. And it has a little bit of pressure, like I think a half to 1 psi. So it is pushing the smoke out of the holes. So we'll keep an eye out for any leaks. So right away, I'm looking at a leak right here. Right at this junction. So this isn't the end of the world, but that could be improved. I already got that pretty tight. I'm more curious about, like this joint right here, and obviously this joint does not appear to be leaking. One thing I could do is eliminate this joint and just attach the adapter right here to the inlet of the muffler, or I guess the exhaust of the muffler. But I feel like there's enough smoke and enough pressure in the system to where if it was going to leak down here, it would be leaking. And I just don't see anything coming out, which is a great sign. We'll start it up next time, get a few heat cycles in it, listen for exhaust leaks, but I think we're in pretty good condition.